All right, so still cutting down logs and the trees, and I'm getting there little by little. There we go. Slowly but surely. Hello everybody, this is Bo Jackson, and I'm going to attempt to build a log cabin. It's semi-flat, and as you can see, there's a lot of trees that kind of match the description already in this area that I'm looking for. I want to make the big windows face in that direction. You see, it's a beautiful marsh out there, and I just think it'd be a really pretty view to wake up to. Well, still working on the cabin and making a little progress today. As you can see, walls are a bit higher, and I went and got some recycled pellets for free, and it looks sloppy right now, but there's going to be either plywood or particle board that I'm going to put over it. So that is going to be the front porch. Fairly high. The problem I'm running into now is probably should have done the floor first, but I didn't. So it's gonna be some makeshifting going on in here, but overall I'm pretty satisfied with the way it's coming out, and I'm gonna keep plucking away at this and hopefully get this done somewhat soon.